Hello Extreme Gamers! As you can see, I'm here with XPG and MSI PC components, and today I'm going to build an extreme gaming PC. Did you know that XPG is ADATA's gaming sub-brand that provides extreme performance gear for extreme gamers like us? Extreme mean ultimate performance only from XPG. Without wasting our time, let's jump onto my extreme PC building. So we are going to start with the world record breaker motherboard, MSI Mac Z690 Unify X. This motherboard using LGA 1700 socket that's suitable for 12th gen Intel CPU. No RGB, no problem. With TLT look, lightning speed gaming connectivity, and ultimate performance, the motherboard has the latest PCIe Gen 5 interface, 5 onboard Gen 4 M2 slot connectors, latest Wi-Fi 6E, and the most important, the motherboard supports DDR5 RAM that can reach up to 6800 MHz for lightning speed gaming experience. Moving on to the memory, we are talking about the superstars in this video, XPG Lancer RGB DDR5 6000 MHz 16GB. The memory can reach frequency up to 6000 MHz transfers, 2 times faster than previous DDR4. A part of its look and fascinating customizable RGB, the RAM will give you a major boost for gaming and extreme overclocking. With support for Intel XMP 3.0, get overclocking easy without the need to hassle with BIOS settings. There is no need to repeatedly adjust and fine-tune overclocking parameters. Another new technology that will improve our gaming PC is the RAM came with on-die error correcting code (ECC). This module can correct errors in real time to provide increased stability and reliability suitable for casual or extreme gamers. Don't worry about the themes. XPG Lancer RGB DDR5 come with 2 variants of color, black and white, so that you can choose according to your preference, black or white PC setup. I would like to let you know that XPG has different models of RAM in the market, and you can check it out on the list or XPG official website. After RAM, let's take a look for the Legend 850 PCIe Gen 4 x4 M.2 SSD. This SSD has the latest PCIe Gen 4 interface that allows sequential read and write speed of 5000 and 4500 MB per second, which is up to 3 times faster than a standard PCIe Gen 3 SSD and 9 times faster than a SATA SSD. All these extreme gears need an extreme casing. Let's build this beast, and I'll show you some other extreme parts from XPG. We're gonna match XPG Defender Pro with XPG Vento Pro in order to provide high static pressure for a good airflow casing. A good PC needs a good power supply. XPG core reactor came with a premium Japanese capacitator and full modular, easy for me to settle down all the cable management. Next, we are going to our cooling solution. XPG Levante 240 gonna lower down your CPU heat as it's made from solid aluminum material for efficiency heat dissipating. Last but not least, XPG Prime RGB extension cable gonna be a good addition accessories for my PC because of its stunning RGB effects. Finally, let's turn on this beast. Pro never fails at the first attempt. It is showtime, and let's go get into the game. After using XPG Lancer RGB DDR5 6000 MHz, I found that there is a massive improvement from my previous DDR4 PC setup, which it improves my overall PC performance. And the most important thing for a gamer like me is the count of FPS. The games I'm playing looks insanely smooth like I never felt it before. Since I'm a streamer, I can stream while playing games without having any frame dropping and laggy issue at all. And this is what I want for my extreme gaming life as a gamer and streamer. This is my PC specs, and let's do some benchmark and a few game tests. So we are done now. The beast has been born. This is my new PC build brought to you by XPG and MSI. How about you? If you want a similar specs like mine, just click on the link on the description and don't forget to like and follow XPG Malaysia on Facebook and Instagram for any update about their latest product. And you can get all XPG product on ADATA's official store on Shopee. For any question, feel free to ask me on the comment section below. I am RazakSuud. Let's game to the extreme with XPG.
It's never luck, so make a choice. Blades and laser beams, run, chase or fight. Do anything you dream. But when the lines are drawn, you gotta pick a